Hi guys, it's Kev. I have started a calculus series for you guys. I'll be breaking down the topic so that it's easy and fast to understand. Today I'm going to start with derivatives, specifically the power rule. Then I'll upload another video for quotient rule, product rule, etc. I have 3 examples here. I'll go over them in just a minute. So this is the basic format or the formula for power rule. Don't let it frighten you. Dx means the derivative of a function with respect to x. The x can change depending on the question. It can be y sometimes. Okay, so the main idea here is whenever you are asked to take a derivative of something to a power, you deduct 1 from the power after you bring down the power up front, like what we do with n minus 1, then the n is up front as well. That's what you do. These are the 3 questions I picked for you guys. The first one is pure polynomials from 4th degree up to the lowest. The second question is polynomials with improper fractions and negative powers. The third one is polynomials as well with square roots in the mix, just to mess around with your algebra tricks. Okay, let's start. The first question is y is equals to x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 3 minus x to the power 2 minus 1. So like I said, we take the first power, then we pull it out front, then we subtract it by 1. So it's 4x, 4 subtract 1. Yeah, then we go on to the next one. 2x cubed. We take the 3 up front. The 2 is already there, so we leave it there. And we add another 3, and it's x to the power 3 minus 1. Then we go on to x squared. It's 2 up front, then multiply by x. Then 2 minus 1 is 1, so we can just leave it like that. So for 1 is a constant, it's 0. Every derivative of a constant is 0. So here we start to simplify. It's 4x cubed. It's 6x squared. Subtract 2 minus x. That's our final value. So as you can see, guys, it was easy. That was the first question. Let's go to the second question. As y is equals to x to the power negative 2 plus x to the power 4 over 3. The concept is the same, just that we have a power up front, but the concept is the same. So we bring out the power and the sign, both of them. So it's negative 2x to the power negative 2 subtract 1 plus 4 thirds x minus 4 thirds minus 1, which is 3 over 3. After this, it's just simplification. Negative 2 x to the power negative 3 plus 4 thirds x to the power 1 over 3. Then it's just done. So this is our final value. Then on to the next one, the third one. Is y is equals to x cubed plus 1 over x cubed subtract 1 over the cube root of x. 1 over the cube root of x. Yeah, the procedure is the same. So let's start. 3 up front, multiply by x, then 3 minus 1. which is then 2. So it's 3x squared plus, here x cubed, we bring it to the top. So using indices, we can bring it to the top and the power will be negative. So it's x to the power negative 3. Like that. Then we're supposed to take a derivative of it. So that's a prime. Subtract. Same applies here. If we use indices, so is x to the power negative 1 over 3. Remember, we have just taken the derivative of only one part, 3x squared. So let's take the others. So we bring 3x squared just as it is. Then we add the derivative of x to the power. We bring the 3 up front, and x to the power negative 4. Subtract the last part, 1/3, we bring it up front, negative 1/3, multiplied by x to the power 4 over 3, negative 4 over 3. After this, it's pretty much done, but you can clean it up a bit if you want. So 3x squared, this was supposed to be a negative, since we have negative 3, but still the answer is the same. So negative 3 x negative 4, subtract, add 1/3, so it's x over 3 to the power negative 4/3. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, just hit me up. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll catch you on the next one.